My name is Sidney Small. I'm the Transit Maintenance Supervisor. I'm retired Army First Sergeant. After retirement, I was looking into continuing to serve into the community. What better place than the city of Fayetteville? As a maintenance supervisor, the military, working as a 91 series, I continue to be able to be a maintenance manager, and all of the maintenance management I learned in the Army, 22 years of service, prepared me to do the job I'm doing today. After joining the military and serving for 22 years, I found that the opportunity to continue to serve, and that's what brought the assignment for me. My advice to a veteran would be to go and look into the city of Fayetteville, because there's a lot of opportunities and for you to be successful in continuing your career. The city of Fayetteville is a great place to work because you find great structure, and there's various opportunities and abilities for you to continue to service your community.